So here I am, and it's January 21st today, and the time is, you see, it's 11:42. I've got my backyard security camera going here, and I was just going to show you these three dogs. There's been, oh, there, I should be able to spot them now. No, and then that goes back out again. So there's three dogs in this backyard, and as soon as I go outside, in my yard, they start barking. So there's three there. There was 5 dogs there, and since the 29th of December, I've only seen 3. So the other 2, I'm not sure if they keep them in the house or if they're gone. However, okay, these dogs right now are underneath this deck right here. It's very hard to see. I'm just getting my camera showing you off my computer. But as soon as I go out into my yard, they start barking. I'm going to show you, just to make my point very clear, that whenever I go in my yard or my wife goes in our yard, they start barking. And I'm not going to say a word. I'm just going to let you hear them barking. I'm just going to go outside the door right now. So here we go. This is my backyard. It's about 11:30 at night, so I get a lot of this barking going on in the morning, even if I'm not in the yard. They bark at anything and everything in the alley. There you go. I guess I'm not going to get much of them barking, but just to prove my point. And there's 3 dogs there. And it's January the 21st. 3 dogs.